Hello everyone, Monique here. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you Westman Atelier's newest super loaded tinted highlighter in a brand new shade, Peau de Peony. Gorgeous, I know, I love pink, I could not resist. So today I'm going to share details with you. We're going to swatch it, I'm going to demo it on the face, on this skin tone, because we need to know. Yes, we do. We're going to create a look, and yes, I'll also share some comparisons with you. Shall we? Gucci Westman herself says that the Peau de Peony will work for any skin tone, any skin type, any age, and any mood. We'll find out, because I'm always in the mood for pink. This Peau de Peony is only available on westmanatelier.com. She does that sometimes with some of her products. And I'm not sure if it's limited edition. So there's that. Let's dive right in and talk about packaging. As per usual, in the classic, simple and elegant Westman Atelier packaging. Up top is where you can find your shade. More details on the back. These super loaded tinted highlighters have a shelf life of 18 months. I love that. Gives me enough time to get through it. Now, I always talk about this, but I do love that they come in a pouch. This is great for travel. This is great for just storing it, but it does come with a pouch. And here is your Peau de Peony. It's like a little pebble. It does have a silver rim, and you open her up. Gorgeousness. Comes with a mirror that we always love, the little detail right here, the little Westman Atelier logo. And when you turn it around back, it does have that little hole so that you can pop out the pan and refill, so you can reuse this. So this brand new shade, Peau de Peony, is a very, very cool toned pink. I haven't swatched it, it's so pretty. I don't want to touch it. Now, if you are unfamiliar with the super loaded tinted highlights, these are packed with good for your skin, nurturing and nourishing ingredients. These claim to hydrate, smooth the skin, and just give you the most beautiful glow. I personally love these, but I also love the highlighting sticks, but we'll get into that with comparison so that you can see, you know, just side by side and all the things. But let me share a swatch with you. This is my first time touching. Ooh-wee. I am a little nervous about this color, I'm not gonna lie. But I love pink so much, and I love my Westman Atelier products that I said we have to. So let's do a quick swatch. So pretty. So the way I've seen this applied is Gucci just puts it on like a blush highlight, which I think is a great idea. So we'll see. So that's, I want to call that a heavy swatch. Let me kind of shear it out and let's see what that would look like. It's gorgeous swatched. Let's see how it's going to look on the face. Shall we? So currently I have nothing on. I just have some eyebrows so I didn't completely scare you away. I have my moisturizer, which is my Augustinus Bader the Riche cream, and my normal morning skincare routine. So I wanted to swatch this on bare skin. Let's just see how it looks. And then I figured I'd do the rest of my makeup and then apply it over top, and let's see how it plays with my regular products, and then we'll do comparisons, okay? This is a product that you can apply with a brush or you can apply with your hands. I'll share both with you. We love multiple methods of application. I want to share as many details with you as possible. So I'm going to start off with the brush. This is the Westman Atelier blender brush, right? Yeah, blender brush. I'm going to have everything we talk about and I use today listed and linked down below in the description box for you. All right, so again, I saw this applied just kind of like a blush highlight, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna swirl around with the blender brush, pick up the product, and apply it as I have seen it applied. I have also seen it applied, and then I've seen the shade Poppet, that really pretty bright pink applied. I think that's gonna look great on my skin tone just because I don't know how I feel about this at the moment. It's probably gonna work better as highlight rather than this. It's definitely not pulling as much pink as I thought it would. But that's okay. This is why I'm here. I am here to help and see what this looks like on a skin tone like this. So that was the brush. Let's see how it goes with finger application. So I'm gonna just kind of focus it on my high points instead of all over the cheek. First of all, I love it with the hands. I'll just tell you this now, Westman Atelier products, I really feel like a lot of them go on so magnificently with your hands. Because they just melt into the skin and look so gorgeous. Because Westman Atelier itself is a brand that's just going to enhance you and what you already have, your beauty. That's what I love about it most. Any hoots. Light layer with the hand. Super soft. I'm going to go in with a bit more. Let's build it up. Yeah. I feel much better wearing it as highlight versus blush highlight. Although maybe we could try it a little bit as a blush topper. We're going to play around with it today, and I love being able to share this with you, so let's not lose hope just yet. Right away, I can tell you this is definitely a product I'm going to enjoy as highlight over this. So this is it applied as a blush highlight with brush, 2 layers. And then over here with the hand as highlight, the high points of the face. With the hands, little handy dandy fingers. And then a quick swatch refresh, because look at the pink. It's so pink, but it's not coming across as pink as I would have wanted. All right, let's do a little makeup and then try it with the makeup. And let's see. Maybe using my summer shade from Westman Atelier X.5, or as I've been corrected multiple times, Roman numeral 10. That's usually my go-to shade, Atelier X or Atelier 10, but my summer shade is Atelier X.5. So I am, wow, clearly I've been liking that. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that as base today. Where's my brush? Please hold. Very silly today, but that's okay. I think pink just excites me like that. Not many foundations have given me a perfect match, but Atelier 10 and Atelier 10.5, which is now, you know, what I'm using for summer shade. Perfection. I love it so much. So I'm just using the foundation brush to apply in the areas that I have a bit more freckles and I want a little bit more coverage. And then for the rest of my face, I just use the same brush to just blend it out. And that's the great thing about this product is it just works beautifully, melding and melting into the skin. And then like right here, let's cover that guy up because he is rude. You do not need to be here right now. But I still want my skin to look like skin, and the Vital Skin foundation stick gives me that. You can totally use those foundation sticks as concealer, but I've kind of been loving this concealer. It's very skincare, and I love that so much for concealers, so I'm just gonna put that. Old Faithful Pink Bubble. We love her, clearly. I love that these are available in refills because I'm gonna need one soon. A little bit of truffle. I want to put this on my eyes so badly, so we're prepped. I just put a little bit of bronzer in the crease, so I'm going to take my finger and apply her to my lid. Ooh. That's soft and pretty. So pretty on the eyes. Ooh, I love a pink eyeshadow too. Well, it's not an eyeshadow, but a pink eye look. All right, let's go in with it on the face now. I saw them apply Poppet in this, and I feel like that's going to be a gorgeous combo, so we have to do it. I feel like that combo is going to look really nice on my skin tone, so let's try it, and then we'll play with it regular on top of my makeup. So I've got Poppet and my baby blender. Let's try that out. Refresher of how gorgeous and bright and beautiful Poppet is. So I'm just picking up. Can I tell you that at first, I hated this brush. I was like, oh, it's so little and annoying. Oh my goodness. Now that I've kind of figured out the best techniques in using it, which is literally just little small swirls, I love it. It blends the blushes. Like, look how bright that is. It blends blush so nicely into the skin. Love Poppet. Highly recommend Poppet. With the blender brush, I'm swirling around to pick up the product. And I'm going to kind of focus it more on the higher points of my face rather than completely all over the cheek. Let's see. Yeah, that looks nice. Huh? I think we got a little thing going on. I feel like it's pulling more of the pink tones that we need, obviously, because it's got a pink base. So pretty. Melds into the skin. It's nice and that hydrated. You look well. You're a healthy girl. Gorgeous. That's the thing about Westman Atelier, and I say it every time I share Westman Atelier products with you. Your skin is going to look amazing. You're going to be fresh-faced. You're going to be natural, but you're going to feel amazing because it gives you just enough of what you're looking for. Let's go in with it on this side just as highlight. I'm going to use my hand. Look how pretty. Oh. I'm sure this is going to crease on my eyes because I have very heavy folds, but I don't know. We'll have to play around with it on the eyes, but we're not going to focus it. We're not going to focus on the eyes. Oh, look at it on the face. You don't have to do blush when you're using this type of product. I feel like it just gives you that healthy skin finish that's just, wear it alone. And it still looks pretty great. Very different side by sides because over here we've got a little bit of blush versus over here none, but I feel like it still looks really good, really wearable, very, very pretty. Ooh. Now the thing about these super loaded tinted highlighters, they're a lot more intense than, let's say, your lid up stick. But as you can see, you can tone it down. So I'm going to build it up though so we can really, see. So I'm just going to put a little bit more. Now I feel when I went in at first with the brush and just did it on the cheek as if I wanted to do the blush cheek thing, that was a little scary. But this way looks gorgeous on our skin tone. I need to put something on my lips and then we will do some comparisons because I have some Westman Atelier highlighting products in my collection that I need to share. It's imperative. Future Mo here. I have been wearing the Westman Atelier on the face. I want to say for about 5 hours now, and I feel like it still looks really, really good. So I should just come share with you really quick what it looks like on the skin. I kind of just want to do this to see, so I hope you don't mind. So I think it was the holiday. Westman Atelier released her first matte powder blush, which I'm looking forward to more of these. So this came in a set. I don't know if it's still available, but it's in the shade Petal. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on the side that I didn't put blush just to kind of even myself out because I do have to go out after this. This is my Westman Atelier powder brush. This is a very soft blush, so I just feel like it'll look nice with this. Ooh. That's what I was looking for. So, Petal. They have it in the creams. They have it in the baby cheeks, but I happen to get this in the holiday set. So, okay, now I feel even. Westman Atelier powders and creams play really well together, so I wasn't really concerned about it going over top of a cream because you can still see that beautiful glow. But I just have a little bit of color, and we're evened out. Okay. I feel good about the comparisons that I'm going to share with you. I pulled what I feel are good enough, worthy enough to compare and share with you from my Westman Atelier collection. And I want to actually start off with, I believe that this was a limited edition release, and it's actually in one of the lit up sticks. This is the shade Petal. I want to do it side by side. It was the first thing as soon as I got it and looked at it, I said, ooh, we need to see, we need to know. So I'm going to do a swatch of Peau de Peony. So Peau de Peony is going to be up top, and then Petal in the lit up stick. Yeah. Okay. This is in my head, this is what I was thinking, and I feel like it's translating. So, a super loaded tinted highlighter, it's going to be a little bit more intensity versus the lit up stick that's more of that glassy skin. So, I feel like the Petal lit up stick is the glassy variation and version. I feel like, yeah, just a little. You get what I'm saying, right? You see it? So this shade right here, this is Peau de Santé. This is my favorite current go-to of the super loaded tinted highlighters. I had to bring her out. I love this color on my skin tone. It's not as cool as Pink Peony. This is another one that immediately came to mind. This is Peau de Rose. Peau de Peony is a lot more cool toned than Peau de Rose. But let's see them swatched. Peau de Rose. I found this one to be a lot more icy on me than even Peau de Peony. Yeah. Peau de Rose is got little tiny glitter specks, and it's a lot more, pulling a lot more icy. Peau de Peony is still got a lot of pink in her. Yeah. Really pretty. Both of them are really pretty, but you know. I have another lit up stick that I want to compare, and this is in Nectar. Right? Kind of, sort of. Can you see it? Honestly, this one, whenever I use it, it just looks like glass skin. I don't get a lot of color, but I just wanted to see how everything looked side by side. I feel the methods that I went about using this product are probably better for our skin tone. Overall, there is no denying this formula is beautiful. It melds into the skin, giving you a beautiful glow, a healthy, your skin is healthy. Your skin is juicy, dewy glow. Wears beautifully. I have wonderful experiences with all of my other super loaded tinted highlighters. No denying that. The color, it's very pretty. I feel it looks a lot brighter in the pan. My humble opinion, based on what we've experienced together, I feel for tan skin and beyond, this is going to be a true highlighter, not a blush highlighter that I was thinking maybe it could be. So keep that in mind. Beautiful nonetheless, and as I've shared in the comparisons, I don't think they have a color like this in the line, so it was a nice addition. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Don't forget to give today's video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.